Hello children, so how are you all? I hope you are in a very good health. Children, before we start today's video, let me introduce myself. My name is Mrs. Anita D'Souza. Yes, you can call me as Anita teacher. Children, today we are taking the subject of English. And in English, we are going to do the writing work. Yes. Now, I know you all know the two-letter words, okay? But today we are going to revise the two-letter words in a writing form and in a small cursive letters. Yes, that means we have to join these letters and write. Yes, you are correct. So children, today we are going to write two-letter words in cursive writing. Yes. Now let's know which are the words which we are going to practice today. They are on or off. Yes. The words which begins from O. O says O. O. Okay. So like for on, O says O, N says N. On. When we join together, it's on. Yes. The second word which we are taking is or. O says O, R says R. Or. Yes. Very good. And the third word which we are taking today is O says O, F says F. So, off. Isn't it easy? Yes. So, let's write in red and blue line book. Yes, I want you to keep this book ready along with your pencil and eraser. Children, remember that you have to say and write. Yes, if you say and write, you will learn quickly. Okay, in a very neat handwriting. Okay, and when we write in cursive letters, okay, when we join the letters and write, yes, remember that do not lift your pencil until that word is finished. Okay, do not lift your pencil until that word is finished. That is called as the cursive handwriting. Yes, cursive writing. So children, let's begin. First of all, write today's date. And over here we are going to write C.W. C.W. Okay. Now we are going to write the three words. Okay. So the first word is O. Join and write N. O-N, on. Leave two finger space. The second word is O. Join and write R. O-R, or. And the third two-letter word which we are writing is O. Join and write F. O-F, off. So this way we are going to write, and we are going to write one below the other. Okay. So first word O-N, on. Next is O-R, or. Next is O-F, off. Very good. Now let's move on to the next line. Okay, you have to always join and write, children. First you write the first letter is O, join and write N. Okay, on. Next is small cursive letter O, join and write small cursive letter R, O-R, or. O, F, off. O-F, off. Okay. So children, you always have to join the two letters. Okay, you have to join the two letters. Complete the first letter and then join the second letter. As you can see how it is written. Yes, and always say and write O, F, off. Yeah, this way you will learn to read and write very quickly. Yes. Okay, see. Join and write. Yes, join and write very neatly. O, R, or. O, F, off. This way we are going to write one below the other. Okay, very neatly. See, you can see how it is written. The same way you are going to write and complete the page. So children, I hope you have written these two letter words very neatly in your red and blue line book. Okay, so please practice and revise. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.